how to set up Gmail SMTP server. So first, you're gonna have to create an app password first. So go ahead to the manage section of your Google account or the Gmail you want to create an SMTP server with, and there just go ahead to security. You're gonna have to allow or turn on the two-step verification in order for this to work. So once that is done, you're just gonna go ahead and search for app security or app password, depending on your case. But in my situation, I'm just gonna go ahead and search for app password. Then just go ahead and choose that option, of course. And here, we're gonna have to create an app name. In our case, we're gonna do SMTP for our testing, of course. So once we go ahead and create, we should be able to get our password. So make sure you have this open for now. Just go ahead and copy that if you want. But once you're done with that, just go to the SMTP server you have. Right here, we have a SMTP test tool, and to put the password, just go ahead and press the password section and press on paste. So the Gmail password that you just had, just go ahead and paste that here as so, and then just go ahead and type in your SMTP server. So it should be related to your Gmail account, of course. If you want, then just put in the port as 465. So let's just go ahead and do that. And then the security as SSL, the username for your SMTP server. So basically, this is what the final setup should look like. Your SMTP server name, you can do whatever you want for your name, of course, and then your email address for that Gmail, and then where it's sending to, so that you can test it, of course. Then the security as SSL port 465, and then the password that you copied from the Gmail app passwords. Then just go ahead and test it. You should be able to see an email to your Gmail that you use, and that's pretty much how you connect your Gmail to your SMTP server. But that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.